right, what's up, guys? This is Dwight here at Retro Crypto, going live, completely spontaneous. I don't even know what I'm doing. I just decided to go for it. I always give a little bit of notice, but I saw some things happening on the charts, and I said, you know what? I got to get this information out there to you guys now, not later, right now. But before we get started, I need you guys to do me a favor. Hit that like button. Each and every one of you, hit that like button for me. And also, while you're at it, subscribe. Why not? Support the channel, okay? All right, guys, here we go. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an ordinary guy out there on the internet with a passion for cryptocurrency. It's essential that you do your own research before making any and all financial decisions, all right? So what's so important? Why did I decide I had to get this video going? Well, I took a peek at the Bitcoin technical analysis, and I was like, I got to talk to these guys I got to talk to not my fans, but my friends, my family, my crypto family out there on the internet. So, all right, so let's go ahead and dive in. Oh, before we dive in, I wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna hit this little banner. There it goes. It's going to change. Hey, if you guys want to support the channel about becoming a member, it would be greatly appreciated. If you go to the description, there's different tiers for the membership. Show a brother some love. Be greatly appreciated. I hate this camera. I want to get a better camera. I'm not going to lie. But all right. So enough about that. Let's talk about crypto right now. So, guys, what I want to show you on the charts, well, obviously, Bitcoin's at $16,641, is down 1.21%, which is pretty extreme. So let's take a peek over here. Why did I do this? Why did I just jump on here right away? Like, this is the most important thing in the world. You see this blood diamond right here? We have a blood diamond formed, guys. And that is going to be a major capitulation of some sort. It's already started. You can see this candle downwicked quite extensively, in my opinion. I think it's about to happen, guys. We've all been waiting for this pullback. Is this the one? I mean, I don't know, but I felt like, yeah, I got to make sure you guys know what's going on. So let's go ahead. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin with the daily chart first, so we get an overall feeling, because that was the 4-hour chart. Now this is the daily chart, and you're going to see that on the 17th we had a short signal, and then the 18th, a wick, a down wick, and then we had a little bit of a reprieve on the 21st. But now we're at the 22nd, and we got another bearish wick taking place. And you can see this channel here from this sell signal. We never reached the end of it, and I think there's a reason. And also on top of that, the volume is down, the momentum is down for Bitcoin. RSI is saying it's oversold. Okay, now that's on the daily chart. Now we go to the 4-hour chart, which is definitely how would I word this? A tighter time constraints, basically. All right. Now the 4-hour chart has a blood diamond and a sell signal. That is like the kiss of death. Now, is it the end of the world for Bitcoin? No, not at all. But it's indicating a serious pullback that's about to occur, and it's already begun. So yeah, I wouldn't be scared or anything. I kind of see opportunity because like I said, I have dry powder waiting on the sidelines. And yeah, I'm diving in. I'm just waiting for it to go under 15,000. That's my magical number, guys. And I think it's going to happen over the holiday week here before the end of the year. Now, if we go down to the Cypher B chart, you'll see that we just started this channel. That's another big signal there, to tell you the truth, guys. We've just started this sell channel right here, this bearish sell signal. That's what I call it, the little red dot. And we've just started that downward channel. The volume is way down. The cash flow in the market is bad. The momentum is way down. RSI is indicating extremely oversold. Yeah, Bitcoin's not looking healthy at all, guys. So let's take a peek at the 2-hour chart. Now, the 2-hour chart is really for traders. Oof. I think I'm right on this one, guys. All right, so we got 2 blood diamonds. We had one that fired off at, looks like 1 a.m. Then a slight little bullish continuation. Then another blood diamond, guys. 2 in 1 day, and a sell signal. I foresee a pullback in the very near future. I don't know about you guys. Now, if you look at the Cypher B chart here, we're right in the middle of that channel there. The volume is super low, guys, just for what it's worth, and so is the momentum. RSI is extremely oversold. All right, so we're gonna take a peek at the hourly chart. I'm not going any lower than that. Hourly chart looks a little bit better, but it's not good, guys. You guys get the point as I work my way down. I never do that. Now, if we jump over here to the exponential moving average, On a 4-hour chart, we are extremely bearish for Bitcoin. 2-hour chart should only get worse. Yes, much worse. We jump over to the volume profiler chart here, and you can see we're approaching the Bollinger Band, the bottom of the Bollinger Band, which will indicate that Bitcoin is definitely oversold. So you have the RSI in agreement, the Bollinger Bands are in agreement, and the MACD, which does lag behind the market a little bit, also is indicating, because you see that green line there at the bottom of the screen, is crossing over. So what it's doing is the red line's coming up, it's bullish. All right, so yeah, it's pulling back, guys. This might be the big one. I don't know. I'm a little old, but I'm retro crypto. There used to be a show called Sanford and Son. It was a guy lived in a junkyard, and he used to always be like, Wheezy, Wheezy, I'm coming to you, Wheezy. Like I'm about to have a heart attack. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be kind of old to know that joke. I'm sorry. You gotta be probably 30 or older, probably. Anyway, that now right here, this volume here, which is at 16,841. That is the point of extreme resistance right now for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's going to have to break past that before we get it back up to the 17,000s again. But can it happen? Yes. Will it happen? Yes. But it's still the reality of the situation. All right. Now we're going to look at the 2-hour chart on here real quickly. And the 2-hour chart, wow, the Bollinger Bands is actually past the Bollinger Bands, which is actually indicates extremely oversold. Okay. That means extremely oversold. So that's where Bitcoin is right now. And yeah, it's quite crazy in my opinion. Jump over here to this chart here, my Ichimoku chart. It is predicting bearishness for the next 4 days. If I do the daily chart, it is predicting Bitcoin to stay bearish all the way out through January 16th. Yeah, it's a great time to dollar cost average, though, guys. Absolutely great time. Now, if you look at the fear and greed indicator here, the fear and greed indicator is indicating that Bitcoin is bearish right now. All right, so that's where Bitcoin stands, guys. Now, I want to go into Ethereum and a little bit of Hex and a little bit of Xen, and then I'm going to roll out. But, you know, I feel like I need to get the information out to my audience immediately, not later, not when it's convenient, but right away. All right, so let's take a look here at Ethereum. Ethereum is firing with the 4-hour chart. It fired off a short signal right here, and it's a significant pullback. But the good news is I saved that. The other chart that I did, we have not broken this uptrend here. Now, this uptrend was established on the November 22nd, and we have not broken path down through this uptrend. So as long as we don't break through this little orange line, technically Ethereum's still good to go. And Ethereum, in my opinion, has been stronger than Bitcoin lately. And I think Ethereum's going to be a good play for the bull market. It's going to be very frustrating as usual because Ethereum, in my opinion, the scalability is not there. 2.0, whatever. I'm not sold. It gets locked up. Xen Crypto locked it up. So that was just one project. But anyway, there is a short signal firing off with an Ethereum on a 4-hour chart. So there is a pullback, a great buy opportunity. And the market cipher chart has just opened up a sell channel, a bearish channel right here. The volume is down, the momentum is going down, and the cash flow is negative. RSI has Ethereum is being oversold, so it would be a good opportunity to pick up some Ethereum. Now, jumping forward here to Hex, just to take a peek at Hex for my fellow Hexicans. I'm a little frustrated with Richard Heart lately. I just want the pulse chain release. I know it's done. We all know it's done. If you don't think it's done, you're foolish, all right, in my opinion. I think he's just waiting for the bottom of the market. I understand. I respect it. I just wish he would be more forthcoming about it. And I know he's smarter than me, so I know he has a grander plan. It's still very frustrating to me, all right? I'm not a genius, but I'm not no dummy either. And I'm not a sheep. But anyway, so so right here we have a short signal for December 19th for Hex, and we've been dropping ever since. Right now we're sitting up on a line of support here at roughly 0.0227 cents, and that's where we're sitting. Now we have this we had a sell channel here, drop down, thought it was going to make a rebound, then the sell signal fired off again, and we are way down this sell bearish channel here. Volume is a little low, momentum is way down with Hex. RSI is super oversold with Hex on a 4-hour chart. It's just really hard to be excited about Hex these days. You just got to embrace it for what it is. Now, if you look at Hex with the moving averages are horrible. I covered this the other day. It gets no bearish than what you see for Hex right now. Ichimoku chart for day. If we look at the daily chart out to January 16th, it's completely bearish. If we look at the 4-hour chart, I'm sure she is bearish. Yes, she is. I thought there was a little green wick showing, but maybe not. That might have been a Xen Crypto chart. All right, so we jump over to the exponential moving average for Hex, and yeah, bearish. Just there's nothing there, guys. Hex is just going to keep dropping and dropping until Pulse chain, because I do think that a lot of confidence has been lost. There's been a lot of confidence lost in the entire crypto market, but I do also believe that Hex is definitely taking a brunt of it. But I also blame Richard Hart for part of this, because he's not being as forthcoming as he should be about Pulse chain. And fortunately, BitBoy put his name on him, basically. So I still feel comfortable with Hex. I know everything's going to be fine. It's just very frustrating. All right, now taking a peek over to Xen Crypto. If you're a Hexacan, you're not keeping an open mind about Xen Crypto. I'm sorry. You should. You should think for yourself and always function with what if I'm wrong? What if? So if I have a friend of mine, relative of mine, and he hasn't done it yet, and it's out of pure laziness because his crypto knowledge is advanced. And I'm like, dude, you're talking sometimes as low as like a $4.50 gamble. Why haven't you minted anything yet? You know what I mean? I mean, Xen Crypto is pretty sweet, guys. Right now I'm struggling with wait for the Xen NFT launch, or do I do more wallets now? Because I literally was going to sit here today and do like 50 wallets, but the Xen NFT launch is going to be soon, and it'll all be done for me. I don't know what to do. What would you guys do? All right. Let's see here. Xen right now has broken this trend that we did establish, that I had drawn. That it was established on the 20th. Looks like we broke down through it on the 21st. So I'm going to take this trend out. It has broken. We are underneath of it. Now, fortunately, that bottom support level is holding. There is a short signal that fired off for Xen. We've started this bearish sell channel here. The volume is down. The momentum is down. Cash flow is way down. Now, the RSI is neutral, which is actually okay, because that's saying that Xen is not being oversold. It's not being purchased either, but it's not being oversold. Jumping over here, Ichimoku is predicting for the next 4 days, is predicting that Xen will be bearish, but then it looks like there's going to be a little bit of bullishness potentially about 3 to 4 days out from now. The fear and greed indicator is definitely indicating Xen as being very, very fearful right now. And speaking of the fear and greed indicator, something that I wish I did earlier today, bear with me. Let's pull this baby up. We have to look at this. How does it look right now? And there she fires. In the fear and greed indicator, we are back into fear territory, guys. I'm so shocked, right? Now, the people that are in here with me, hit the like button. Please take a moment, hit that like button, and feel free to leave a comment. And if you want to chat about anything, I'm open to chat, or that's all good too. I appreciate you being here, guys. And the more likes I get, the more my channel grows. So help a brother grow. All right. So XEN Turbo. Let's take a quick peek at XEN Turbo. I was suspicious about XEN Turbo, and I felt kind of stupid. XEN Turbo is from Crypto Labs, and I was like, this looks so close to crypto. And I finally pulled up both, and XEN Turbo and Crypto Labs are one of the same. It's just an improved version of Crypto Labs, but it's both. I break down Crypto Cell Labs. But yeah, this is an awesome tool. If you're not using it, you're hurting yourself. All the Xen fans out there, it really breaks everything down. It's absolutely awesome in my opinion. The dashboard is hotness. The GUI is up. So right now, I know it's a horrible time to mint. I wouldn't even think about minting right now. Look at that. The price, the mining difficulty is up. So you know it's not a good time to mint. But I suggest that you guys jump in here to mint Turbo. I went over this the other day, so I don't want to spend too much time on it right now. But yeah, it's just an awesome tool. All right. But yeah, that's all I really want. All right, you know what? Let's look at something while I'm more here. The global rank right now is at 6,500,000 36,978. So for a lot of you guys who are like me, who was with this project 75 days ago, to see it up to 6,036,000 right now, basically 37,000, it's like phenomenal. You know what I mean? Because you look at your first mint wallet and you're like, wow. Now, one thing I do regret is I started like 7 days, and then every other day, and I was working my way up. I wish I just maxed out everything right from the word go, but I'm still at the bottom floor and I'm still early. You know what I mean? But yeah, anyway, so let's see. What do we got? Anybody want to chat? Any questions? Keep up the good work. Thank you, Will. I appreciate it. Hey, Will, do me a favor. Just hit that like button. And Face Reality, thanks for sharing. Thank you. Thank you, Reality. Thank you for the reality of you being here supporting me, because I absolutely love the support. All right, so if anybody got any questions or anything, I'm going to end it. I'm going to give a few seconds, and I'm going to move on. Please remember, guys, like the video. When you leave, come back, like it real quick, just for me. It helps me so much. And leave a comment. That way YouTube spreads the word, and think about becoming a member. You know what I mean? Like, it's like $3 a month, and then it goes up from there. Helps me out immensely, motivates me, lets me know that you care. Somebody cares. I think my wife cares when I'm behaving myself. She's trying to defend herself right now. All right, guys. All right, so that's it for this stream. I'm going to be streaming all the time now. I kind of like this better because I accomplished a full-blown video, the picture, the little JPEG picture and everything. I did everything in roughly 45 minutes, maybe a little bit under an hour. And I kind of like this better. Start jumping into the news real quick when stuff happens. All right, thank you. See you in the next one. All right, check you out. All right, Face Reality and Will and whoever else is in here with me. Till next time, stay happy, stay blessed, and keep minting that Xen. And don't be scared of the bear market. Buy. Dollar cost average. And I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an ordinary guy on the internet with a love of cryptocurrency. All right, peace out.